Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Premium Lace Wigs. Fashion and beauty is what they say on the box. Right here is classic white box. So as I open, I see the wig, and then we got a tail comb, a rat tail comb, a pair of lashes. We have the wig cap. Ooh, and we have a nice big information card. That's everything that came in here. This is just basically showing you hair care as usual. You know, when you get these cards, they usually show that. Okay, so this is a wig, and it also came in another little bag. And this is a bag that it came in, has a pouch. So you know, if you go making a quick run on the road, this would be nice for like a nice little makeup pouch. This is really nice, cute little design too. And then we have extra elastic band, and we have some clips, and we have hairpins. Like they did it. I like this. Yeah, this is nice. So that's all that's in the back. So today's wig is 20 inches long. It's 250% in density. It's a medium brown lace color. It's a 13x4 lace front wig. It's a loose curly. As you can see, these curls are so gorgeous. And it's a Brazilian virgin hair. It's 100% Brazilian virgin hair. It's also of a natural color, as you can see, and the wig code is CX161. So as I said, oh, and this is also pre-plucked, so your girl don't have to go in and pluck any further. Love that. The hairline looks really good, actually. I love the way the hairline looks. Yes, that looks good. This is how the inside looks. Standard cap construction, a total of 4 combs on the inside, 1 2 3 4 adjustable straps along the back. You can go ahead and make it even tighter. So guys, you can see the graduation here in the front. That is what I love to see. A good hairline. Alright. Okay, so as usual, you guys know medium caps go with them, but usually the ear portion is a little longer, so I'll just cut off the excess. I'm loving the whole look to the point where I'm here contemplating hard if I should even apply makeup or not. But I'm going to have to apply makeup because I have some other stuff to do. So that's the only reason, because like, you know, I did a bit with my edges and stuff, but you could always do this. You've seen me do no baby hair look multiple times, so if that's what you want to do, go ahead, check out one of those tutorials. And do that. Look at those waves. So nice. So I'm actually going to do a center part. That's how I'm feeling. Or should I do a complete pullback? Should I do a complete pullback look? Complete pullback wet look? I'm gonna do the center part. Look at that. I cut off like just 1 inch off the bottom because I wanted it to look super even. So like that looks so good. So good. At first I was thinking that maybe I was going to do like that pull back look, and all I have in there right now is water, so I know that in an hour it's going to like have more volume. So I didn't really go with the super wet look today at all. I don't mind that. I'm always doing the wet look anyway, so I said why not just do this today. So all that's in there right now is just water. Guys, look at the hairline. This I did not go in any further and pluck any further. Okay. Guys, I'm going to put all the specifications of this wig down below in the description box. Like all these wigs that I've been doing since recently, they're snatched, like they're upping the quality. They're constantly upping the quality of the wigs, and I'm here for it, honestly. Yeah, I'm going to put all the information of this wig in my description box, the direct link where you can go ahead and shop it if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, if it was informative, give it a thumb up. And yeah, I'm your girl Petite, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself.